Have you ever made a du'a for something and waited and waited? Days turned into months. Months turned into years. You asked with tears. You prayed tahajjud. You gave charity. You tried to stay patient, but nothing changed. And deep inside, you whispered, "Ya Allah, why are you not answering me?" If you've ever felt this way, this message is for you. Allah never ignores your dua. In the Qur'an, Allah says, "Call upon me, I will respond to you." This is not a suggestion, it is a promise. But here is something we must understand. Response does not always mean immediate approval. Allah answers every dua in one of three ways. He gives you exactly what you asked for. He removes a harm you never saw coming. He saves the reward for you in the hereafter. So when you think your dua is rejected, it may actually be redirected. The difference between delay and denial. We live in a world of instant results, instant messages, instant food, instant success stories. But Allah works with divine timing, not human impatience. Think about the story of Prophet Yusuf, alayhis salam. He was betrayed by his own brothers, thrown into a well, sold as a slave, falsely accused, imprisoned for years. Did Allah forget him? No, Allah was preparing him. If Yusuf, alayhis salam, had been rescued immediately from the well, he would not have reached the palace. If he had left prison early, he would not have become a leader. The delay was not punishment, it was positioning. Sometimes you are not ready. Sometimes we ask for things that would destroy us if given too early. You ask for wealth, but maybe your heart is not ready for that test. You ask for marriage, but maybe your character still needs growth. You ask for success, but maybe your patience is still being built. Allah sees what you don't see. As He says in the Qur'an, perhaps you dislike something, which is good for you. Delay is often preparation. When the heart gets tired, let's be honest, waiting hurts, especially when you see others getting what you prayed for. You feel stuck. You start doubting yourself. Even great prophets felt deep sadness. Prophet Yaqub, alayhis salam, cried for years over the loss of his son, but he said something powerful. "I only complain of my sorrow and grief to Allah." He didn't lose faith. He didn't accuse Allah. He turned back to Him, and eventually, Allah reunited him with Yusuf, alayhis salam. Allah's timing is perfect. Imagine a child asking for a knife because it looks shiny. The parent refuses, the child cries, but the parent sees danger. We are limited. Allah is Al-Hakim, the most wise. Sometimes, the job is delayed because a better one is written. The marriage is delayed because protection is needed. The healing is delayed because sins are being erased. Every second of waiting is not empty. It is reward being written. What should you do while waiting? Instead of asking, "Why is Allah delaying?" ask, "What is Allah teaching me?" While waiting, strengthen your salah, improve your character, increase istighfar, trust His plan. The waiting room is not wasted time, it is spiritual training. A powerful reminder, on the day of judgment, when people see the reward of unanswered dua saved for them, they will wish none of their prayers were answered in dunya. Imagine that, the tears you cried at night may turn into mountains of reward. Allah promised to respond. In the Qur'an, Allah says, "And when my servants ask you, concerning me, indeed I am near. I respond to the call of the caller when he calls upon me." Notice something beautiful. Allah did not say, "I respond immediately." He said, "I respond." There is a difference between response and speed. We measure answers by time. Allah measures them by wisdom. You see today, Allah sees forever. You see the present moment. Allah sees your past, your future, every consequence, every hidden danger, every unseen blessing. When Prophet Musa alayhis salam stood at the sea with Fir'aun behind him, it looked like the end, the ocean in front, an army behind, but Allah was not late. At the perfect moment, the sea split. If it had split earlier, the miracle would not be complete. If it had split later, they would have been captured. Divine timing is precise. Delay builds you. Sometimes Allah delays the blessing because He is building the person who will receive it. If success comes too early, arrogance may grow. If love comes too early, immaturity may destroy it. If wealth comes too early, faith may weaken. So Allah prepares your heart first. The waiting period is not empty, it is training. The day you will understand, there will come a day when everything makes sense. Maybe in this dunya, maybe in the akhirah. Imagine standing before Allah and seeing mountains of reward for the du'a that was never answered. The way you expected, you might say, Ya Allah, if I knew this reward was waiting, I would have asked for more tests. If your du'a feels delayed right now, keep asking, keep believing, keep trusting. The one who created time is never late. And when the answer comes, you will realize it was worth the wait.